Like big rust removal demos that I cannot lie, you other brothers can deny. I'm really bad at this. Guys, I just killed it on a rust removal demo. It's awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. Having products that you can use to remove rust like magic is just, it's amazing. It's really and truly amazing. I went over, we were driving through the neighborhood, saw this mailbox at a house. Irrigation rust galore. And decided that I would go back and do a demo. So, took my Rust Remover Plus, went up to the house, knocked, nobody was home, decided to go ahead and, we'll shoot the video and everything on here in just a moment. I'll link that to it. But took about 10-15 minutes, get all the solution. I mean, it was some heavy rust. I mean, the guy was saying that he's been there for 15 years and his mailbox has been solid orange pretty much the entire time. And it's not surprising. I mean, with that fertilizer, or not fertilizer, but with the iron in the water, it is always going to be an issue there. Rust Remover Plus made it go away like magic. It's amazing. The cool thing, the guy ends up showing up after I'm almost done with it. I start talking with him and everything. He's impressed. He's blown away with it. Gave him an estimate on, obviously, if he's got a rusty mailbox, he's going to have rust on the other spots of the house. Give him a price of $100. Nothing really big. I mean, his mailbox should have been $100 rust removal, but the mailbox probably cost about $100 or whatever. Gave him an estimate on the house for $295, and I would almost guarantee that we're going to do his house this week, or as soon as he gives us the go-ahead. So, guys, get some rust removal product, whatever you're going to use, whether it's Bark, Rust-X, Rust Remover Plus. Again, my personal preference is Rust Remover Plus, then Rust-X, then F9, and then just straight oxalic. But no matter what you're using, buy 2 gallons. Go ahead and use half of a gallon, cleaning some random stuff around town, or if you got friends that have rust, throw out a boast. Hey, I dare you to find rust that we can't clean. You'll get it. You will get somebody who's going to throw some rust at you, and then this stuff's going to eat right through it. And then you're going to have somebody with testimonial. You're going to have a great video. You're going to be able to get more rust removal product videos or rust removal cleanings. And guys, charge a premium for that. Make money on that. Because guess what? No matter what they buy at Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace, or wherever they're going, it's not going to cut it like these professional rust removal products. So have a great day, guys. Do demos. Do these demos, guys. It's so much fun. What was the person going to say? No, I don't want you to do my mailbox. I want it to stay orange. I mean, it probably will be orange again once the sprinklers get to it and once that starts getting turned on. Beautiful green lawn. We got to talk to the guy again. It's all about get your name out there, be seen, have people more familiar with you. And this guy actually figured out when he saw that we did that, and he was asking, he's like, are you guys the one that did the thing on Route 50? Yep, that was us. Little smiley face and I Heart Salisbury. He enjoyed that. Guys, it's so awesome to do this stuff, and every one of you can do this. Again, I don't encourage people to go play in traffic, but go do some fun demos. Go do some community cleanings. Make your area better. And catch it on video and use it to market it. So have a great day.